What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by ZOOZEE, and we're taking a look at their Z50 robot vacuum cleaner. This thing is a 2-in-1 vacuum, which means it's also a mop, and has a 5200 milliamp battery powering this beast, and you get 3000 PA of max suction, which is insane. Best of all, it does connect to Wi-Fi and an application, so what that means is you can actually go ahead and tell Alexa to like start the vacuum and automatic recharge and things like that. So it is very, very smart as a vacuum. But in terms of cleaning, it gets even smarter. First of all, you get yourself bow cleaning, where it kind of goes in waves. You also get edge-to-edge cleaning, where it will go and specifically target all the edges of the room. And get this, you're also going to get area cleaning, so if you want one particular spot that a mess happened, you can go and clean that. There's also local cleaning, where it'll kind of stick to one room, auto mode, where it'll decide what it needs to do, and appointment, when it will wake itself up at like 2 p.m. and it will go clean however it needs to clean at that particular time. How awesome is that? Now, the coolest thing about this is that it does actually have a ARM Cortex A35 chip built into it, so of course this thing is actually smart. A lot of other robot vacuum cleaners are like, oh, we have a smart home compatible. No, this thing is actually pretty smart, which is really, really awesome. My favorite thing about this is the 0.6 liter control water tank, which actually has 3-level adjustable water volume, so you can actually go ahead and decide how much water you want to release onto your floor and how well it's going to mop and so on and so forth, which is really, really awesome. In terms of filters, you get triple filtration, so there's going to be no dust escaping this thing. All the dust should stay inside of there as well, which is really, really cool. This thing works great on tiles, wood floors, carpets, and whatever you need. 3000 PA of suction is more than enough. All in all, guys, go ahead and check this out on Amazon. It's a solid device, has a great app, and all in all works 10 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.